phone. I'm putting this on Tumblr, by the way. Yay! Shout out to me. I will. No, I mean like right now. Shout out to Leah for Jelly Bean. Yeah. Maybe you could video me as well if you can.
I'll wait for you.
The local festival rate.
Actually, local supermarket. Beautiful.
Fireworks. Same.
Brogan likes it.
One bigger than
Oh, Gryffindor. Where's
my pop?
yes? Ravenclaw.
Why is it a Hufflepuff? Thank you.
No, yeah, I got Ravenclaw.
Hufflepuff is possible.
Oh my God! It's rolling in the deep. Who is it?
How do you know how to speak them?
Because
Adele, you hate Adele. You hate Adele.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm doing it.
Yeah, me tomorrow. Is that?
What? It's the voting ending tonight. Let's go, Mars.
I should have went on a boat tomorrow.
I did. I was just, I hit the voting limit every day.
EMA.
Oh, you voted on Mars. Of course I did.
Gaga's meat it.
Oh, yeah. Lady Gaga's not next to Jared Leto last year name, so he's a vegan.
Jared Leto has Hollywood's biggest
Oh, with
penis.
the meat press. Oh my God, how do you feel? I have no idea. Oh, you must be feeling dead disgusting. Like he's a vegan.
Hell. El recording fireworks.
Yeah. That's just gonna be a drop out, it's mine. It's gonna be a big red one. You drop that, it's mine. Green.
Ellen.
Let's go for real. You know I'm overseas. How was that goes on Tumblr? Barely.
Who is it that came from Hufflepuff?
Me!
Oh.
Me! Yes. I don't care. The people at Tumblr can hear.
I know Hufflepuff.
Oh, it would slipper in. Uh-oh. Look at it.
Oh, by the way, there's
I
one
know.
space station. I like that one. Guys,
Whoa.
it's a space station. Or Venus. I don't know which one it is. Well, if that's a plane or a helicopter, I feel so sorry for that guy right now. No, no, he said that. He's like, ah!
Get the best.
And he'd be like, ah!
Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw together.
Hufflepuff pride! Okay,
Brogan.
fireworks to the house of the Harry Potter. We get it.
Brogan.
Hufflepuff
Our houses are one.
I want to reach up and grab it. I don't give a fuck. I'm winning gloves.
Oh no,
My camera.
no, not this song.
My memory card's literally empty.
I don't. Me no speak Americano.
So
Jonah.
oh, fucking
You
hate
don't
that.
speak Americano, no.
That was on the Korean StarCraft
Wow.
guy thing. That song. You totally this across the bed.
Hufflepuff X Ravenclaw.
Yes, high five.
Sorry. That was like a StarCraft. That was like a StarCraft guy thing. You understand?
It was a love card between the houses.
Was it?
It's a love child between all the houses. Leah, you're in my camera.
I don't care.
That's what she
Hi,
said.
Leah.
Hi.
The move. I'm watching the fireworks.
I know my place. Okay there. In the kitchen.
It's gonna be a really big one.
Yeah, that's alright. I make that joke all the time whenever I go out. But thanks to all my friends on Skype are mainly guys. That's very out of time. Yeah.
I should have brought my professional camera. It would look so much prettier.
I wish I brought mine. Take B. They're cool.
What is it?
It's the rainbow bridge. Let's go to the
It comes up tonight, isn't it? Yay! Okay.
I will start watching it just for you, Brogan. Good.
Not our houses though. That's bad. Oh, it's so glittery.
They're always the best ones.
They
I'm going to put on someone.
They have to July, that's the thing.
Yeah, the 4th of July.
4th of July.
Basically, it's the 4th of July for us. It's in November. Yeah.
And that was just to do with something we'll make up.
Oh, it's so wicked.
It's about
Was
independence.
it? Yeah, that was just about independence. The other Sky Fox.
Remember the 5th of November.
V for Vendetta.
Yeah.
That was
Here's
all
about
people.
independence. That was about...
Why Slytherin? Why you have more fireworks?
Yeah, it was like Sky Fox defending himself against the House of the Parliament.
He was going to blow up the House of the Parliament.
Yeah. Then he got hanged.
That's what we did.
That's why he was Bonfire.
Awesome.
So
Rogan.
basically, his,
V for Vendetta.
so in other words, his was about
Awesome.
Parliament, theirs was about Independence Day.
Yeah. Through the Parliament. Through the Parliament, we have money.
Yeah. I get this awesome achievement. Sparkling one. This one. The only time sparkling one is when we go to Bonfire. Oh, I'm not going to Alright, go Ponyville. No, I'm a brony.
No. It's
Okay,
the
I'm a
song is
Pegasus.
firework again.
You're brony, I'm a Pegasus.
So appropriate.
It's fitting.
What the hell is a Pegasus?
Oh, Pegasus is the female version of a pony. So if you watch any girls are in My Little Pony, the new one, they get called Pegasus. So the term is shit. Why is brony so much more awesome than Pegasus? Yeah. Because it's where you can do brohu.
Oh my god, I met some...
Yeah, I read it and nearly threw up in class.
You got Emma.
Is it that bad? Yeah, it's about disembalming a pole. It's about thinking if I disembowel a Ringo Dash to make sure it's
You'll never get...
Oh, cupcake.
GLaDOS said something to the top. You mean something to keep me from getting hit.
Oh, that's what that cake's made from. I thought it was that qualifying resin.
Yeah.
Rhubarb on fire! Rhubarb on fire! No, look at it, like, I've got this video up and got it on Tumblr and let's go that. It's video like a 3-minute video from Tumblr.
Cutting to parts.
That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm just drawing YouTube.
That's what I'm doing as well.
On Facebook.
Put it on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Tumblr.
That's what.
Just go on YouTube and link it.
What the heck? Happy Fireworks Day. Don't miss the movie because that's start.
Or just say it was our 4th of July today. Yeah. What's the 4th of July? Fireworks guys were in the
Hey, Ravenclaw. Hufflepuff. Our husbands are back. Yes.
So they're feeling a full of offensive epilepsy getting into the
Nora, Tom.
Oh,
I feel like such a kid when I go these.
You live the side one.
shut up.
I'm sorry.
Oh god, this song, no.
I
It's the only song I like. Julie, I've lost all my faith in you. I do not like you anymore. Rogan told me no. Sorry.
Recorded to relate.
I can't see anything, it's all
I
black.
can see
I
you.
like this song. Let's sing. I might not be mistaken by that song. It's not really. It's like there was like tourists and songs like it wasn't a piece like that.
does. I've been recording for almost over 10 minutes.
I quit the video and started it again, or it'll be good.
11 minutes.
I'm at 11, almost 12 minutes now.
I'm at 1
I
second.
love these fireworks. I love
I
these
got full
fireworks.
memory, that's how I'm fine. I'm
Well,
focused memory card.
It takes so long to drop in that, I just quit it in 10 minutes and took a new video.
I updated to my Windows 7, so I got Movie Maker, so I'm so rough on that.
I was going to put the whole thing on Facebook.
That'll take fucking forever on my internet.
But I'm going to do it on my dad's computer.
I might do that. I'm going to wait till he goes to bed at like 2 o'clock in the morning.
Scotland Pride, woo.
Alright, I'm going to view this live to perfect.
Woo! Hufflepuff! Ravenclaw! Gryffindor! I'm a Wiccan! But Leah, I'm a Wiccan!
Well, she's dead, so just because it's getting too loud, she might hear it and she might force you out of the house. Yeah, Leah, see if you got the Christmas tree.
Oh my god, that's what it's called. Stigma. It's a bad branding of something. It's not just dead.
Stigma, that's the one!
That's the one that was thinking about in the graveyard.
Careful, careful, you're...
And there was...
If
Go Ravenclaw!
you're in the north, recommend your mum.
Oh, I felt that.
Notice?
No. No. Ravenclaw Pride.
Hufflepuff Pride. It's like Ravenclaw.
Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff have become one. Become one with Hufflepuff.
That's really being taken over. Yeah. Shoot someone tonight and nobody would know it. Probably didn't see me there. Granted, the username is all users alike. But if you're not Gary. Oh no, wait, we can't see you, sure. Yeah, I can't see you. You're doing it on your 3DS now. Well, take your pictures and then post it.
That's what she says. It's all them together except us. That's what fucking do that.
How many times I think I've lost What are you this bloody hat?
Oh, Nymphodora.
My hair's popping out.
Nymphodora.
In his house.
Nymphodora.
Oh,
Nymphodora.
Back up.
Why did you have to kill that?
I tried. I was like, no, you already killed
Tom
me.
just stole my password. The TUNKS is that door. No, that was your password from World of Warcraft from like 4 years ago. It stole my password.
You got it shortly after I got banned for 6 months.
What?
Remember when I got banned from the internet for 6 months? You played WoW.
I still got an account. I bought offer.
You guys play WoW. I used to. You got my account. I play Gaia. It's better. But actually, I used to play Gaia. I don't play it anymore. Gaia was awesome. That was like Neopet now. Oh my god, you play Neopet? Yeah! That's like 5 years old.
Leah.
If I still had it. I did Open 2003. I joined Neopets in 2001. I was only 9, so that was about like 10 years ago. I'm nearly 19. No, I was 8 when I started playing Neopets. No, wait, I was 9. Yeah, I got Neopets when I was 9. And I'm almost 19, so I feel like you're singing. Like, on your account. I wanted to Google so bad.
I've got a collect. My cougar comes up as a Christmas meerkat when you look at it.
Oh wow! But it says
Christmas
at the
cougar.
bottom. It's still like that, like that.
I love cougars.
Hey, sorry, take over. Everybody does. That would be the epic skipper. Like my flute. Oh yeah. I wish I had like big like 90s short things on. And ooh! It's a really nice one. It's like a water fountain. It's a water fountain of fire. Mine just on full battery. It's a fountain of fire.
It's fire. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
pretty
normally the
the
end.
climax of the conversation. Oh!
Yeah, these ones normally I know the entire fireworks schedule every year. Well, it is 25. Yeah, 25. Do you guys want to do it?
No! Stop!
Alright. So what's the har song? It's climax! Except I haven't got some little, except I haven't got a 12-year-old kid running and riding on the front of a scooter whilst I go, it's the climax! And I'm wearing a bunny girl outfit surfing in the air on a guitar. I swear to God, I want that Ricky Baxters guitar she's got. It does this, right? It goes straight. And it makes like a cheese off it. Mine is at nearly 19. Whoa! I know. God, I remember last year the February and you know, heck yeah. I think we're just having some kind of panic attack. Rogan forgot Hanabi Tower syndrome. Okay. Cameron, Rogan forgot Hanabi. Rogan forgot Hanabi Tower syndrome. Picked up a little bit. You could buy food.